Hi everyone, this is Swapon Roy in front of you. Dear friends, welcome back to my another new video. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the best way to learn English. So no more talking, let's get started. Dear friends, many of us wanna learn English. Many of us wanna learn English easily, but we don't know how to improve, how to learn English easily. So actually the best way to learn English is to listen to English lectures. I mean to say that by listening we can improve ourselves. By listening we can learn English easily. Dear friends, just think about it. How does a baby learn his mother tongue after birth? The answer is very simple. Gradually, a baby learns everything by listening from his parents and his family. So, listening is very effective for improving English. Listening is very important for learning English. But dear friends, when you will start this journey, when you will start listening to English lectures, you have to keep in mind that you have to listen to the same English lectures again and again. And if you want to improve yourself at the same time, you need to read some effective books for improving yourself. But only by listening you can improve yourself, you can learn English easily. And you have to listen the English lectures regularly. If you don't agree to listen to the English lectures regularly, it's not possible for you to improve English. Okay, and practice is very important for improving yourself. Practice is very important for learning English. Dear friends, you know that I'm trying to learn English, I'm trying to keep bettering. Actually, I always try to listen to English lectures, and I try to do it regularly. And the same lecture which is spoken, uh, I try to listen to that repeatedly. And by doing this kind of activity, by listening, I'm gonna improve myself. So you can also do it if you wanna learn English. And I think that the best way to learn English is to listen to English lectures. So today I don't wanna make this video longer. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. All the best.